Dive into the world of spinning, where every pedal stroke propels you closer to your fitness goals. Spinning isn't just a workout, it's a full-body symphony that orchestrates your path to wellness. Spinning is a powerhouse of a workout, known for its impressive health benefits. It's not just about pedaling away, it's about engaging the major muscle groups, enhancing lung capacity, and boosting cardiovascular health. With the potential to burn up to 1,000 calories per hour, spinning bikes are your allies in the battle against calories, targeting common problem areas like hips, belly, and thighs. For beginners, the key is to start slow. A gentle 30-minute session each day can set the foundation for more intense workouts later on. Remember, spinning bikes pack a punch with heavier flywheels, like the 48-pound wheel on the Soul Fitness SB700, demanding more energy, but promising greater rewards. Experts suggest a blend of seated and standing positions to maximize your spinning session. Try 2 minutes of standing pedaling for every 10 minutes of seated cycling to boost your endurance. But take it easy at first. No more than 5 minutes of standing pedaling per session. And don't forget, proper posture is crucial. Lean forward slightly when seated and keep your core engaged when standing to avoid injury. Find your rhythm and let the spinning bike lead you to a fitter, healthier you.